Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so we are starting it and wrapping this really quick. So we are starting with Nifty. Surprisingly, Nifty gapped up today, so we did not have any trades because there are so many resistance on top, so I did not want to take any risk. Just because of this gap up, it doesn't mean market is bullish. We have a lot of resistance here. This is a resistance, this is a resistance. All these are major resistance which you have to keep in mind. So tomorrow what are my actions is what I'm going to show here. Okay, so if market crosses around 21,680 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy, but in a very small quantity because it might become volatile and hit my stop loss. So one time I'll be buying it, and if it hits my stop loss, I'll stay out of the market. Okay, next is shorting. If it crosses 21,635 and below, I'll be shorting it. So my first target will be this today's opening will be the first target, that is like this 1:6. My SL will be around some 20 points. Let's keep like 20 points, something like that on Nifty. Okay, so this is for Nifty. Next is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also the same thing today. It went up directly, and this is a trend line. Trend line got broken today. This is the high of the trend line. So what happens is I want to see something like this. Only then I'll be buying it, or I'm not interested. So my exact entry will be here. Okay, and this will be my stop loss. Or if market opens gap down and then it goes up, yeah, then I'm interested. If it gaps down and opens, then I'm interested. Till then I'm not interested. Okay, so that's it for Bank Nifty. And negative is if it turns back in the same place, and if it crosses this, that is 48 and 40 and below, I'll be shorting it. Okay, shorting, I have a very good position here to keep as a target. This will be the target. This will be the target. We got too many confluences. This will be the target. Okay, so that's it for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Next is US oil. So US oil today we had a good trade here. It was a 1:2. We exited. Now we are waiting on it because if you see in a daily time frame, daily time frame, this is a good trend line in a daily time frame. So it has almost one, two, this 3, 4, and 5 time it has touched this trend line, has become weak, and it's at its low. Okay, here there are so many order blocks. Okay, if it reverses from here, we can see a good reversal, but we are not trading any reversals. We are staying with the trend. If we go to 15 minutes time frame, this is a good trend line which got broken. Sorry, just a minute. So this is a good trend line which got broken. Okay, so this is a good trend line which got broken, and here we did not trade, but we captured this 1:3. And after that I saw this was a trend line which was forming, which got broken here. So anybody who would have entered here would have made a very good money, but I don't know. For now I don't have any active trades in US oil. I will be shorting it post $71 and $71.20 and below. Okay, and my target will be this. This will be my target, $69, or there are so many confluences here too. This can also be considered as a target. That is $70. Okay, so this is how we are going to trade US oil. Next is gold. Gold, we are still sitting in the short. This was a trend line which formed in gold also. I did not enter because I'm still holding on to this trade. But basically my trailing stop loss got hit here. If I tell you guys, it got hit here. In this place it got hit. Okay, this place it got hit, and after that again I shorted it around here somewhere. I shorted it. Now I'm holding this. It's almost what to say, in a very small profit it's in. If it bounces back, it's totally fine. I'm gonna take the loss and stay covered. Okay, and we have 4 stocks for swing trading. First one is NTPC. NTPC already gave us a very good profit, that is 1:3. Okay, we are not holding it anymore. We are looking forward to enter here. That is, if I get a price of 317, 315 to 320, I'll be definitely looking to buy this, and my stop loss will be at 310. Okay, next is Power Grid. Power Grid, we are still holding this. This is a very good. This was a 1:9 risk to reward ratio trade, guys. This was a beautiful trade. Okay, so I exited 1:10. Actually, I exited here. I exited. Okay, I'll show you. So this is where I exited on this candle. Okay, Now I'm looking forward to buy this again. So tomorrow if I get a price of 236 to 243 somewhere, I'll be buying it, and my stop loss will be at 235. And Manapuram is breaking its weekly all-time high, not all-time high, weekly resistance. This is a solid resistance which is getting broken now, and this candle looks pretty good. Okay, this candle looks pretty good. It did not breach down, it closed above. So if it survives here for 1 or 2 more days, I'll be buying it, and my stop loss will be at this, that is 167 rupees. Next is Tata Chemicals. Tata Chemicals is also a very good stock. On a weekly time frame, if you see, this is a trend line which is a pennant which is forming, and this is a resistance which got broken. So if I get a price of 1130, that is or 1108 to 1145, I'll be buying it anywhere in this point, and my stop loss will be 1080. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys got the information. This is just my view on market and how I'm going to trade and what I'm going to do tomorrow. This is not a tip or any financial advices, so please trade safe and use the risk management. Alright, thank you so much. Take care. Please like, share and subscribe so I get to reach the proper audience. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.